Hello, I'm Carissa from 1 + 1 + 1 = 1, and I'm here to show you inside of our recent Ivy Kids kit featuring the book Love from Giraffes Can't Dance, which I think is a silly little title. It is an adorable book. It features different instruments and animals, which is a great combination for young kids. So this kit features obviously the book, and you'll have over 10 different science, math, literacy activities. You can pause this video and read that, and you can also look at the things on the little chart right here to show you everything that is included. I'm going to give you a peek at some of the activities that my reviewers enjoyed. You may notice these are not my kids. My youngest child is now 13, so she is way too old for this, even though she still thinks they're pretty cool. This is a family who's really good friends with us, and they have children ages 2 to 8, so they review our kits for me now, and they send me pictures and their thoughts about the kit. So let's peek at their time with this kit. All right, so here they're working on their personalized writing pages after digging into the kit and, of course, reading the book. You can add on sibling additions to each Ivy Kids kit, which is a great thing if you want your kids to work all together just like this family is doing. There's many different activities that have great learning, whether your kid is reviewing or your kid is just learning this skill. Here, we're working on syllables, and it all features a theme revolving around the book, which kind of makes kids feel like they're not even really learning at all. They're just having fun. Game time there's always many games included in the box. So game time is a great way to bring siblings together. Also, that learning while having fun, it's really awesome. Adorable characters to explore measurement, hands-on activities. Here you see one of the math activities. As I mentioned, siblings are perfect for this box, even younger siblings like this adorable toddler. Obviously, she was very into the musical instruments from this box. Crafts are always included, and you don't have to go out and buy the supplies. Just look at these adorable scratch art masks that you get for your kids in this box. They're making musical instruments here, and they are ready for the dance party that goes along with the theme of the book. All right, so there's even more in this kit that you didn't see in my video. As I said, you can pause this and look at all the different things included. You can also read more on their website, which is right here. Please go there. And if you want this specific kit, you need to click on the word store and search for this kit. If you scroll down, you'll find it. Make sure that you look at the current coupon code. You can see it where the arrow is right there. And if you're interested in seeing more of these kits, I have tons of reviews on my blog. I'm not kidding you. I have been using these kits since my daughter was young enough to use them. I absolutely love them. They're my favorite monthly kit for kids. They include all sorts of things, and I just love that they revolve around the book. So whenever people ask me, what monthly kit do you recommend for my kids? This is it. It's Ivy Kids Kits.